Web of Science plus EndNote equals faster full text. You might know that EndNote's Find Full Text feature will help you download many full text articles at once. But wouldn't it be nice to be able to filter the articles with open access full text before you even import references? You can easily do this using the open access features in the Web of Science. Perform your search in the Web of Science. Here you see that one of the references shows a link to free full text. To see only the records with open access full text, mark the box to filter results by open access. Then click the Refine button. Note the gold color on the Open Access logo on the Free Full Text from Publisher button. There is more than one kind of open access text, and not all of them are appropriate for use in research papers. Gold articles come from the publisher, and you can be sure you are getting the information as it was published. Gold articles are included in the Web of Science. Green published articles are articles that have been published and that are also available through an official repository. They may not have the same layout or publisher logos as the final published version, but have been through peer review and should contain the same information as the published version. Green published articles are included in the Web of Science. Green accepted articles are articles that have been accepted by a publisher, are available through an official repository, but have not yet been officially published. They may not have the same layout or publisher logos as the final published version, but have been through peer review and should contain the same information as the published version. Green accepted articles are included in the Web of Science. Green submitted articles have been submitted to a publisher, but have not been peer-reviewed or accepted. These are not included in the Web of Science, and generally should not be cited in research papers. Bronze articles are older articles available for free on some journal websites, but are not available for download and may not have specific information on usage restrictions. These are available through the Web of Science and are defined as gold articles. Export the Web of Science records to EndNote. For this example, I'm using Direct Export in Chrome. I select Save to EndNote Desktop from the drop-down list. Choose the number of records I want to export. Select the option to save the full record, if using the Web of Science core collection, or the author, title, source, abstract if my search was outside the core collection. Then click the Send button. In Chrome, I select the small arrow in the lower left of the window and choose Open. Because I have used this method before, EndNote immediately imports the records to EndNote. The first time, it is necessary to choose EndNote as the program to open the file with. To have EndNote download the full text articles, I select the articles I've imported, then select References, Find Full Text, and Find Full Text again at the right. In the Find Full Text group set, I see the progress of EndNote's search for the articles. When EndNote has finished searching, I see all the articles it was able to find and download the full text for, and a much smaller number of articles it was not able to download. I can still use the Web of Science to download the article manually. I copy the DOI from the EndNote record and search for that DOI in the Web of Science. Note that this article shows a green open access icon and is a free accepted article from a repository. When I click the link, I see that article in the repository.